All right, so Boro button Omten version consists of 3 pieces. First is the retainer, and as you can see, it's polished inside, polished on the sides here. This O-ring prevents water. You have the spring, very short, you don't need much, and you have the button itself. So button is also polished on the sides, machined on the outside. So the installation is pretty simple. You put some lube. In this case, I'm using Niagel. You can use KY jelly. I don't think it really matters. This is just to make the O-ring turn smooth. And I just put a good amount. I don't really care. I'll wipe off the excess when I am done. So KY jelly on this. Then you have the button. The button has 2 O-rings, and you need to lube them, and that's going to help you have smooth action and less wear on the O-rings. These O-rings are not really the best for this use, but it is what I have now. Okay, so you put some lube on here, and you simply push the button into the retainer and all the way through. It should be nice and snug. All right, here's your Mirage man. Make sure that this is tightened down well. It tends to loosen on me sometimes. Put the spring in. Put the button over and press it down. So that the O-ring squeezes in. I'm using these snap ring pliers. Sorry, this may not show up on your screen. There we go. You tighten it down nice and snug all the way. Sorry, I'm having to do this off screen, but this is what it looks like when finished. Do a couple of test shots. Oh man, that's really good. Really, really good. This button is not going anywhere.